Guys, Owen, me and Mason both got 1 point. Owen, first try, just got...
He got like 5.
He got 7. There's 10 pins. Owen just got 7. Let's see what we get.
Owen's actually flexing on us.
No, that was just a warm-up. That was just a warm-up.
Worst warm-up ever. Well, actually, I can't even be talking.
Owen, good job, though. I gotta give you some respect for that. I mean, he did get 9.
The next time I go, it's gonna be a strike. Bet on that.
I'm gonna get a strike.
I'm gonna get a strike the next time I go. Bet on that one.
Mason's vlogging too. No, you can do it. Let's see, Zoe.
Dude,
now I don't feel.
Up the camera in time. As soon as he dropped it, I started recording. This is gonna be a long vlog, honestly.
Yeah. This is gonna be fun though. Zoe's is stuck. Zoe's is stuck in the thing.
It's like the gym floor.
Zoe's is stuck in the thing. I want to click.
Zoe's ball got stuck.
Zoe's ball got stuck. Have any 5s? 9.
It'll be a long vlog.
I don't see any 5s.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, Zoe, go for it. Look, you can go down to that line.
That was a good one. That was a good one. Yes.
No, it's after that line.
Zoe, how do you feel?
Zoe, how do you feel?
Good job, though.
She's sad.
There's the scoreboard. There's a gun. Gooder ball.
Your turn, Izzy.
Little Izzy's turn. Birthday boy. Once again, say happy birthday in the comment section below.
Comment happy birthday. It's Izzy's birthday today.
Good job, Zoe. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Izzy's going. Ooh, that was... Ooh, it passed the line. It passed the line. Yeah, it passed the line for Izzy. So I don't think that counts. Plus, it was a gutter ball.
I'm next again.
Yep. That's a no-no. What is that? That's a big fat no-no. Look at his fingers. Look at his fingers. Look at those chubby little fingers. I know, it's like an oval. Yeah. Owen's winning so far. Ooh, gutter ball again. Good job, Izzy.
I might record a little bit. I don't want to record me going next because I'm going to end up with like the longest video ever. So, yeah, it's my turn. I'll see you guys.
Gutter ball. What? Okay, it's Mason's turn again. Got one. You still have another turn. Wait. Gutter ball. Okay. My turn now.
Yeah, Zion was just making fun of me if I only got one touchdown. See how she can do better.
Good job, Ryan. Oh, I still have another turn.